Hey y'all, it's Damon here from DecoExchange, and I want to show you guys how to make a designer wreath just like this in less than 15 minutes. All right, you can get wreath kits from damonswreathkits.com, and here we go. Hey y'all, let's get started on this wreath kit. So it came with a metal rooster, grapevine, 4 rolls of ribbon, and 3 bushes. All right, y'all, let's get started by getting our rooster placed. So I'm going to go right in this area. So we can attach a pipe cleaner to the metal piece that's already on him. Y'all, then I'm going to use a mounting square and just a little dab of glue. If your glue lid sticks, grab some needle nose pliers and it'll give you a little bit more leverage. Just a little dab of glue. We're going to use a mounting square and put it right into that glue. Another pipe cleaner right through here. Get it tied off. All right, now we can attach our rooster right to the frame. So we're just twisting that off right there. Get this next one fed through here. All right. Y'all, next we're gonna create our bow to go right down here. I'm gonna use my Easy Bow Maker. If you don't have an Easy Bow Maker, make sure you add one to the kit when you check out. All right, some 4-inch black and white check. We will pull our tail out about the length of the board, give it a nice pinch, then twist it, slide it right between there. Y'all, we're gonna do about a 6.5-inch loop. Both ways. All right, trim this. There's the base of our bow. Let's go with our next color. I'm gonna choose the yellow. Give it a nice twist and slide it right in here. Slightly smaller. Y'all, all I'm doing is bringing out every color of that rooster. The black and whites, the yellow. Now we're doing the red. Making every loop just a little bit smaller. All right, now our 1.5-inch. Trim this off. Y'all, now, with those scraps that we have left, I'm just gonna slide those right into the bow. Why waste them? And then we're gonna take this 1.5-inch that's left and give it 1 tail and 1 loop and 1 more tail. All right. Zoom out a little bit so we can slide this bow off. Y'all, I'm gonna take my pipe cleaners, twist 2 together real quick. Get this tied off. All right, I'm not gonna worry about fluffing it out yet. I'm going to attach it right down to our grapevine. So just running our pipe cleaner right through the grapevine. And getting this tied off. All right, now we can kind of pull our pieces around. See exactly how we want them. Y'all, I'm gonna bring this extra long tail down here with that one. All right. Y'all, we can start trimming some of these up a little bit. Y'all, this is the longest part, trimming the tails out. All right, I think we got all of them. Y'all, look how pretty that is already. All right, now we're gonna take our bush that is all greens. Y'all, this is a hand-wrapped bush, so we can easily pull it apart. So there's 1, there's 2, and then the last one we'll cut right off of here. All right, on our pieces, we want to make sure we spread out the greens as much as possible to get as much coverage as possible. So there's 1 spread out. Y'all, all of these are wired, so make sure you spread them out as much as you can. All right, we can start gluing these in now, y'all. So I'm gonna start up here above our bow. Y'all, I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue to my stem, raise my bow up, and work that green right in there. All right, gonna take my next one, and I'm gonna come down to the other side in a triangle type pattern and work this one in over here. All right, now to finish off our triangle, we're gonna go here, here, and then 1 this way. All right. So you guys, if you're looking at it, you can see that clear triangle pattern. Y'all, we're gonna pull in a little bit more of that white or cream color from the rooster. Same practice, this is a wrapped one, so you can just pull it apart. All right, we're gonna spread these out a little bit. And we're just gonna start gluing these right in. A little bit of glue on our stem. Find a spot that you like in the grapevine and get in there. All right, I'm gonna turn mine. I'm gonna put a piece of the white in between all of the pieces. Shoot a little bit of glue in there. All right. And then I'm gonna finish up with a white one up here. All right, you could absolutely stop here if you wanted to. But of course, I want to bring in a little bit more of that pop of yellow. All right. Get it all nice and spread out. Y'all, all the little pieces are wired, so let's make sure we use them to the best of our ability. All right, so this time I'm gonna go in between the white and yellows around. So that the colors are overlapping, but not overdone. So you can see that the yellow and the white cross path here, and the yellow and the white cross path here. Gonna do the same thing down here. So we want that to be as spread out as possible. Get this worked in here. Get a little bit of glue on it. All right, last one. Y'all, and we just did a designer wreath in less than 15 minutes. Maybe, if I can get this last piece in time. All right, check it out, y'all. A nice country farmhouse wreath in less than 15 minutes that I would sell for 115 plus. This makes for a great gift in your Etsy shop. Just make sure you tag it as gift for, and then put farmhouse lover, gift for her, gift for kitchen, gift for new homeowner. All right? Guys, you can get this kit and other kits at damonswreathkits.com. Bye, y'all.